The kidneys are major organs in your body and are responsible for clearing waste from your body, balance body fluids, form urine, and help in other important functions of the body. Every day the kidneys process the blood to sift out waste products and extra water. These become urine, which flows to the bladder through the ureters. If not eliminated correctly, toxins can build up in the body and can cause problems such as kidney stones and high blood pressure. Cleansing your kidneys helps to eliminate toxins, improve urine flow and improve kidney function. Here are the top 10 foods that cleanse and protect the kidney naturally. Number 10. Apples. Apple is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce bad cholesterol, heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Since diabetes is closely related to renal failure, consuming apples can help protect you from kidney problems. Apples can be eaten raw or cooked. You can also make a tasty beverage. Number 9. Beets. The best kidney detoxification foods must include beets. It is a great source of magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and glutathione. Glutathione is a protein that aids in the detoxification of the kidney. Regular eating of beets can help improve and stimulate the kidney functions. Number 8. Onion. Onion breath might be a turn-off, but onions help keep your kidneys properly functioning. They contain flavonoids and quercetin that prevent the deposition of fatty material in the blood vessels. Quercetin is an antioxidant that can reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Onions are kidney-friendly and low in potassium. They also contain chromium that helps metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Number 7. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has the potential to help treat kidney problems. The vitamin C and citric acid in it help maintain the internal pH, promoting better health and stronger immunity. Drink lemon juice in the morning or before lunch. Make sure to dilute it in a cup of water and refrain from adding refined sugar. Number 6. Cranberries. Cranberry juice is a popular home remedy for urinary tract infection. Due to its antioxidant properties, it is a great natural antibiotic that prevents any bacterial growth in the digestive tract or the kidneys. A research study showed that cranberries had the potential to treat calcium oxalate kidney stone. Always consume fresh cranberries or use fresh ones to make juice. However, do not drink too much of it to prevent overworking the kidneys. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable that is packed with phytochemicals. The antioxidants present in it help scavenge the harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing the risk of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and renal dysfunction. Cabbage is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, but not the ones that are potentially harmful to the kidneys. Number 4. Red grapes. Red grapes are loaded with a natural polyphenolic compound known as resveratrol, which offers many health benefits like improving heart health and protecting the kidneys. Resveratrol helps ameliorate renal injuries such as ischemia, perfusion injury, drug-induced injury, diabetic nephropathy, etc. So, consume red grapes in adequate amounts to boost the health of your kidneys. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelon is loaded with a potent antioxidant, lycopene. It helps scavenge the harmful free oxygen radicals, thereby preventing renal injury. But do not consume watermelon in huge quantities as that can backfire. Talk to your doctor before consuming it if you already are suffering from kidney disease. Number 2. Kale. Kale is a rich source of nutrients that regulate the postprandial blood sugar levels. Since diabetes is closely related to kidney failure, consuming kale can help take care of both diabetes and diabetic nephropathy. However, you must talk to your doctor before consuming kale, especially if you are already suffering from kidney disease. Number 1. Carrot. The best kidney detoxification foods must include carrot. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium and glutathione. Glutathione is a protein that aids in the detoxification of the kidney. Carrots can help improve and stimulate the kidney functions. We hope you were able to find a food that fits you in this video. Perhaps you may know of some foods to cleanse kidney of your own. Please share with us in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell icon to never miss another update.